How to post on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you will be able to post different contents on your Snapchat. Now the first Snapchat content that you could upload is Spotlight. In Spotlight, you will be able to upload real-like videos by simply clicking on the top right section. This will allow you to upload a video from your camera roll or memories. You could also create a snap that you could upload to Spotlight. And you have your traditional section over here, camera, where you can easily upload anything that you want that your camera seizes. So for example, I have my keyboard over here. I could simply take a photo of that and I will be able to upload this. I could either put it on my story or send it to someone else. So those are the different things that you will be able to upload on Snapchat or post. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.